Ever had a toxic coworker that drains your energy? Quitting might come into your mind. But before you make that decision, here's how you can protect your peace without confrontation or involving management. 1. Limit your interactions. Keep conversations strictly professional and work-related. If they start gossiping or complaining, politely excuse yourself or shift the topic to work. Use short, neutral responses to discourage further engagement. 2. Set emotional boundaries. Remind yourself that their behavior is about them, not you. Don't take their negativity personally. View them as background noise rather than a direct threat. Practice emotional detachment by mentally disengaging from their toxic energy. 3. Stay busy and focused. Keep yourself occupied with work and personal goals to minimize exposure to their negativity. Find ways to engage with positive and supportive coworkers. 4. Create a personal positivity shield. Start your day with affirmations or a short prayer to set a positive mindset. Listen to calming music or uplifting podcasts before work and during breaks. Keep reminders of your personal and professional goals to stay motivated. 5. Control your reactions. Stay calm and composed no matter how they behave. If they say something hurtful or passive-aggressive, respond with indifference or a neutral okay instead of reacting emotionally. Silence and non-reaction can be powerful tools to discourage toxic behavior. 6. Physically distance yourself when possible. If you share a workspace, try to position yourself where interactions are minimal. Take breaks in a different area to avoid unnecessary encounters. 7. Find a healthy outlet. Talk to a trusted friend or family member outside of work to vent safely. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, like exercise, reading, or hobbies. Journaling can help release stress without involving others. 8. Strengthen workplace relationships with positive people. Focus on building good relationships with kind and supportive coworkers. Join workplace activities or find allies who share your values. Having a support system can help balance out negative energy. 9. Remind yourself why you're there. Focus on your purpose, whether it's financial stability, career growth, or a personal goal. Toxic people come and go, but your success and well-being are more important. Keep your long-term career in mind and don't let one person push you out of a job you otherwise enjoy. By using these strategies, you can protect yourself without direct confrontation or management involvement. Over time, the toxic coworker may lose interest when they realize they can't affect you.